It's starting.
Oh.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Kat, and today I'm going to be doing the cinnamon challenge with my best friend Jess.
Stop.
This is cinnamon, but it's like my mom just takes it out of the package and like dumps it into here, so it's not really a container. It's more of a container of this container. She told me not to use a lot of it because she puts it in her coffee. Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna cough.
I'm
gonna smell.
I'm gonna show you. This is a really deep spoon, okay? It looks like it's small, but it's really fat, really deep. Oh, and I have a glass of milk right here. So. Think that's enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the.
If you throw up on me, I'm gonna cry.
I'm not gonna throw up.
Don't throw up.
I can do this. Game face.
She's serious.
Okay, ready? I can't. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I have to breathe. Hold on. Okay.
Don't cough. It just looks painful. No. No, no. No. Ah! No! I said no! That's what this is for. Do you need this? It's tempting. Don't you dare throw up on me. I will cry. No. No throwing up. Your face. Look at your face. Look at yourself. Oh gosh, don't spill the milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't, no throwing up. No crying. No throwing up. Please stop.
Ow!
Yeah. Just swallow.
It's so gross!
I will not do it. I know.
Ugh, gross!
Well, don't look. Why would you? She looked.
It's not open.
No. Throwing up. No. Throwing up. No.
I did it.
Right.
Ew!
It's in your teeth. She's gonna down that milk like a champ. Like a champion.
Ugh. It burns!
Burns.
Ew!
Told you not to do it.
Oh, they're like black! I'm gonna go brush my teeth, stop the video.
Bye, guys.